God, that's good. A seafood dinner.
For the lineup, we have chipotle pepper, cayenne pepper, ancho chili pepper, onion powder, kosher salt, black pepper, dark chili powder, and red pepper flake.
That's a nice chunk of tuna.
You want to season all sides of the tuna. Going in with some extra virgin olive oil and some butter.
Old Bay on the shrimp.
Old Day on the shrimp.
We did pat the shrimp dry. We took the extra seasonings left over from the tuna steaks and went ahead and added that to our shrimp as well. You want to saute the shrimp over medium heat for just a few minutes on each side. Remember, C is for cooked, O is for overcooked. So if your shrimp start to look like an O, it's overcooked. Out of the pan, putting it to the side, and now we're going to work on the sauce, the Scampi sauce. More extra virgin olive oil and some butter. Swirly swirl of the pan. Now we're going to go in with some chopped garlic and roasted garlic.
Both roasted garlic and?
The pan was getting a little hot, so we decided to go ahead and put that off to the side for just a minute. Now he's going to add some lemon juice. Yes, we used the bottle kind. And some crisp Pinot Grigio. Swirly swirl with the pan. Shrimp back in.
For tuna steak and shrimp scampi.
Yeah, that's going to be good.
Our version of it.
Let that come to a simmer. And then we're going to put that off to the side. Our pasta water has come up to a boil, so we're going to drop that. Now it's time for the tuna steaks. More EVOO and a clean pan with some butter. And he's just going to drop mine first. He always drops mine probably 5 minutes before he drops his, because I like mine well done and he likes his rare. Okay, now Mr. Lucas is going to go into his tuna steak, and he does like to baste the tuna steaks as they're cooking. Gotta do a quick test. Gotta do some more swirly swirls before you take it out of the pan. Pasta is ready. It is perfectly cooked to al dente.
Put it right on top.
Now it's time to plate everything up. We're gonna go down with the angel hair first. And there was exactly 14 shrimp, so he got 7 and I got 7. And then he's going to take that Scampi sauce and put it over top of the pasta. Chopped parsley for the top. This dinner was amazing.
Huh?
You gotta turn it. Presentation.
I know.
The steak's gotta be towards you.
Oh, it's towards me. Are you doing shrimp first?
Shrimp. Perfect tuna steak.
The angel hair was the way to go. Tuna steak. That's good. That's really good. Ooh, yours is raw.
It is rare. Perfect, rare tuna steak.
That's good. This is a good dinner. This is fantastic. That sauce. Oh my God. Oh,
Got a little kick to it. It's not
it's
outrageous.
good. The lemon, garlic, wine, butter balance is amazing. It's really good. Restaurant quality. It's delicious. Mmm. Ooh, this is a perfect dinner. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was delicious. I really hope you give it a try, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.